Next one is about the Arduino Uno. In the second of those days, so the basic of the C++ is about the basic of the C++. We takes almost the 2 and 3 days, which I covered in the two slides. Uh, so next one is the Arduino Uno overview. Though before to go on the IoT, we should also have a good knowledge about the embedded system. And also embedded system, we use the Arduino Uno. So before start the training, we must have to knowledge about the Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno is a microcontroller which is usually preferred to as a student as an intern for you. That is a suitable for a as a beginner. So hardware features the Arduino Uno features a powerful microcontroller, multiple input-output pins, and a USB interface. This makes us suitable various applications, enabling seamless integration with the sensor and actuator. Sensors like so many sensors we are using in the digital world. Actuator that works on the actual terms. Programming environment. So for programming environment, we use the Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is a user-friendly environment programming the for Also for the so many microcontrollers. It supports C, C++ languages, simplifying the code development and allowing rapid prototyping for embedded projects and applications. Typical applications like Arduino Uno is widely used for the projects like home automations, agriculture projects, healthcare projects, and the IoT applications. Its versatility to use case to use make it an ideal choice for the both beginners and professionals. That is all about the Arduino Uno. Hmm. Also, we should. Also, I will tell you about the embedded system. An embedded system is specified as a computer system that combines the physical things to the digital things, like computers, memory, and input-output peripherals. An embedded system that is specified the computer system. The next one is about the main thing, introduction of the IoT. So, introduction of the IoT is the first we start with the definition. IoT connects everyday devices to the internet, enabling the data exchange and automation in homes. Common application include smart homes, wearable technologies, and industrial automation systems, enhancing the effectively. The and these kind of applications we use the IoT, that is the healthcare systems, agricultures, and the home automation systems. In communication, IoT devices communicate through the various protocols, ensuring the effective data transmission and the interoperability. Second one is about the sensor overview. In our project, we use the LDR sensor and temperature sensor. LDR, the versatile light source used for the various applications, including indicators and displays. LDR sensor is the detects light intensity, making them ideal for automated lighting and environment monitoring. Third one is the temperature sensor measure the heat level essential for climate control and various monitoring applications. That is also the overview about the temperature sensor, which is not necessary, but for the information we should, for brief information, we have to know about this, what kind of temperature sensor available in the market. That is the LM35DH11 thermocouple and BMP 180 sensors. A PWM is the main thing in IoT. That is the pulse code modulation. The width modulation is a technique that controls the power delivered to the device by varying the width of the pulse in a signal, creating the adjustable output. We vary the width of the pulse and make a adjustable output. And second one is the analog write function. We have learned so many times about in the training about the analog function. The analog write function is Arduino allows you to set the duty cycles for a PWM signal letting you control the brightness of the LEDs and speed of the motor effectively. And the third one is the practical applications of the PWM. So of the PWM applications, practical applications, there's a dimming lights, controlling the fan speeds, driving motors, making it essential concepts, embedded systems, and electronics. In embedded and electronics. So that is all about my project. I made a project on home automation using the LDR, temperature sensors, and LEDs. So that home automation project I used in my training. I made in my training. Before go for on the project, we will also discuss about the what we have also learned in the past few days. That is all about the serial tanks and serial tanks about the and after that the analog write and PWMs we learned about the Blink app integration. So we made this project on the Blink with the help of the Arduino ID and the Blink app. So we use the Blink app for the IoT cloud integration. After that, in the training we learned about the project implementation, which was in our four parts. It takes the Blink app integration. Also, the project implementation includes a whole week. So that about the project of the home automation, that the LDR sensors detects the lights and the control logic integrates the sensor data, enabling the device to respond dynamically to environment conditions. Third one is the output device. The system activates lights and fans based on the sensor input, enhancing the home comfort and energy effectively. That is all about the home automation we learned. We build this project. So these are all the learnings about the internship I trained for the week for a month. So my experience about the training is really really good. I learned from the basics to advanced of IoT of the IoT. I'll prefer everyone to go with this company for your future trainings or the future courses that you like. That's the Emertxe technologies are really a good company as a intern if you want to join. Then you can. I prefer you this company for the good and efficient knowledge as a beginner. So before ending, I will tell you the some things about the what is this about the simulation. So that is I'm really genuinely sorry about the simulation because my laptop hard disk I changed recently. So my whole data was deleted. I just we take it from a service center from the last yesterday. So I take it from home, take it on home from yesterday on yesterday. So my whole data was deleted, so I cannot be able to show you the simulation of my project and the implementation. But I try to explain you everything what I can, and I hope that will find you the informative and engaging. I through this I learned a lot and gained the deeper insight into the topic. I really appreciate that the time given by the teachers and the trainer. Thank you so much for the training. And with this, I will end you the my presentation. I hope you all like that. Uh, if any mistakes are happening, that I'm really sorry about it. If I am not able some kind of concept couldn't you get to know, but I try to make you the good explanation from my sides. So thank you so much. Thank you for the Jayalakshmi ma'am. Thank you.